Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make money selling digital notebooks in 2025. Digital notebooks are one of the easiest passive income products to create. Let's get started. What are digital notebooks and why they sell in 2025? Digital notebooks are PDF planners designed for good notes, notability, iPad and tablet users, students, professionals, ADHD users, and niche hobbyists. They look like real notebook, but with clickable tabs, organized section, and linked page. Why do they sell well? Zero cost to produce, unlimited copies, always in demand, niche friendly, and perfect for digital planners in 2025. You make it once and it can earn forever. Okay, first step is choosing a niche. Never make a generic notebook. Choose a specific audience plus specific use case. Examples are nursing student study notebook, ADHD bullet journal, minimalist daily reflection journal, fitness habit notebook, teacher planner, business finance tracker, and Bible study notebook. Your niche determines your colors, page layouts, tabs, tone, and number of pages. The goal is don't aim for 100 sales. Just aim for one first sale and grow from there. Okay, now we're going to create a new design. You can type in journal, planner, or notebook. I'm going to choose journal. Inside the Canva editor, you can search for more templates of a journal. If you choose a template, you can keep the parts that you like, delete the parts that you don't, and combine useful elements from other journal templates. For example, use the sidebar from one template, the header from another, and the decorative icons from another. This speeds up the entire design process. You have to know how to use the template tab, elements tab, text tab, uploads tab, how to use the styles, the page panel, the link tool, and to edit spacing, position, and layers. So first, create your master template page. The master template is the main layout you will reuse for all inner pages. You can go ahead and revise the design by changing the colors, changing the text, and removing some of the elements. The next step is choosing a notebook cover. Once again, you can go ahead and revise the design, change the colors, change the text, and remove some of the elements. During the process of your revision, you can add more elements, add more design of your choosing, basically anything that you want that would make this look clean, professional, casual, or artistic. The next step is duplicating our master template. As I said earlier, the master template is the page that we would be using for all of the inner pages. Go ahead and click grid. You can duplicate this page over and over again, as many as you want or as many as you need. You can also make some variations, like on the first page, this would include our daily routine. The second page is our, for example, Monday. The fourth page is Tuesday. Basically, we are aiming for 20 to 40 pages depending on your niche. And in each of those pages, we are using different variations. For example, lined pages, dot grid pages, blank notes, to-do list, weekly planner, monthly overview, project tracker, and many more. The next step is adding clickable hyperlinks. This is what turns your PDF into a real digital notebook. To add a link, click on any element or tab. Click right-click, press link, and choose the page that you want to link in this element. For example, I am linking page 2. Click done. And if we go to a preview mode, let's test the link if it's working properly. As you can see, it has brought me to our second page, our daily routine. You can do this over and over again, and you can add more elements depending on the page type or variation. Finally, we are at the exporting your notebook properly. So go ahead and click on share, click on download, and make sure that the hyperlinks is on, the PDF is flattened, and it is in high quality. And lastly, always create a mockup. This part is very important. Customers buy with their eyes. So in the Canva editor, click on the Elements tab and type mockup. You can choose any mockup that you want to use, just as long as you make it very eye-catching, and you'll be able to insert your cover, notebook spread, and decorated scenes. Mockups increases your sales dramatically. Now, where do we sell our digital notebook? First, we can sell it on Etsy. It is perfect for beginners. It has built-in traffic, and shoppers are already looking for Planet. Second one is Gumroad. It is perfect if you want a simple store. Third, we have Payhip or Ko-Fi. It has zero fees and clear storefront. Lastly, we also have TikTok plus Pinterest, free traffic, and viral potential. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.